Hi, my name's Lenny Mellon. I'm with Guaranty RV Centers in Junction City, Oregon. Best way to reach me is 541-228-4584. Today I'd like to show you a 2020 Arctic Fox by Northwood 25Y. This is a beautiful 4-season coach made right in LeGrand, Oregon. This got the power front jack. It's got the big LP tank. Comes with 2 fresh batteries. It's got the aerodynamic front cap. It's got complete password storage through the front of the coach. This 25Y comes with 2 doors. One goes to the bedroom, one goes into the living area. It's got a big electric power awning with 2 nice big outside speakers to listen to your music outside. All aluminum superstructure in the trailer except the roof, 5/8 ton plywood. Same with the floor, 5/8 ton plywood. All plywood through the coach. Everything's enclosed in the underbelly underneath this. So if you want to stay in it summer, winter, fall, spring, you can. All their chassis are certified. They make their own chassis right there. A lot of manufacturers will ship their chassis in. So what that does, it allows Arctic Fox to do some things that other manufacturers can't with building their trailers. Inside in the 25Y, we got the beautiful 2 lounge chairs in the back, a big window so you can see out over the river or the ocean or wherever you're staying, with 2 nice cabinets right next to them on both sides so you can put your drink or whatever you have, with 2 nice little storage drawers for like TV remotes or anything like that. You got them on both sides. You've got a breakdown dinette table that will fold into a small bed with this, and then right next to the booth you've got a nice big cabinet area for storage. It does come with a electric big fireplace, a nice flat screen TV, of course all your AM FM CD DVD player system. This comes with solid surface countertops. Comes with 2 big sinks. Also comes with the spray nozzle. Comes with a 3-burner stove and a 22-inch oven. So you can put a nice little roast in there, or turkey, or especially a couple pizzas. And it comes with a Furon microwave. Comes with a nice size 8 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. Comes with a big shower right off the main living area. All enclosed. You don't have a screen. It's all enclosed by plexiglass. On the right next to, across from the shower, you have your own toilet. So you have privacy right there. And outside the shower, right as you go into the bedroom area, is your sink with your medicine cabinet right above it. And across from that, you've got another storage area for coats, whatever might have your shirts. Nice big closet. Then you've got nice ring lights above the bed, and then you've got power outlets on both areas, so both sides, so you can plug in what you need to plug in. Then you've got 2 big shirt closets on both sides, and you've got nice cabinetry storage above the bed. They all come with 15,000 BTU air conditionings. It's just 25Y's got a big skylight right between the back living area and the kitchen. You can close it off so you don't get light in it. You can leave it open so you can get light in it. All the air conditioning is ducted. The ducts go from front to back, clear from your bedroom to the rear area. So you get flow for your air conditioning, so it keeps you cold when you need to be cold. Same with the furnace. Furnace is ducted all the way from the front bedroom to the back. It'll keep you warm in the wintertime. These are very, very well insulated units. They're built right in LeGrand, Oregon, and they're made for the Northwest. If you have any more questions, just give me a call. My name's Lenny Mellon, M-E-L-L-I-N, 541-228-4584. Thank you.